Alrighty, Charles, here's your 302 base small block Ford. Huge strips in this combination. Got an Edlebrock manifold, Brawler Carb and a feed distributor with a custom ground hydraulic roller, our As Cast heads. It also has Eagle rotating crank and rods, custom DSS Pistons. It's a new combination for us. It's really for the guy that doesn't want to change all the drive chain and everything to support 425, 50 horsepower. So we rated it at 350, so it's a nice little combination. Idles around 700, a good little roll to it. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 340 foot-pounds of torque. Speed torque 341, good and flat. Speed horsepower 365, rated at 350, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. I'll show you a couple of things. When you receive your engine, you find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other stuff. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. That'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.